Okay, today I would like to teach you how to create an extra variable in the biofeedback software. First, let's load up the Neuroeducation EEG Sender program and load up a sample recording so we have that going on in the background. Load up the Neuroeducation KISS program, putting in your name that you signed in to the business software with and your password. Set it to trial mode. Go to the upper left and you look at that third icon called Mapper. Click on Mapper. You go down to the QEEG variables. All these variables that you see here are predefined according to their empirical relationships to the cognitive performance variables. As you can see, we can choose locations, flashlight effects, etc. Processing hemispheres. If we have one that we want to delete, click on it, click the minus key, and that will remove that variable. Any variable that we create will be immediately available in both the positive and negative related variable options for all the clients in your directory. So let's say we want to create a variable here. We will call it T3 phase alpha posterior. It will be a coherence or phase variable, not a magnitude, relative power peak frequency. So we go to the T3, we look at T5, T6, we click on these variables and we're adding them to the spectral variable that we are creating. Then we go down here and we add T3 phase alpha posterior. Do a copy paste into the name, indicate what type it is, phase variable, and let's indicate that it is in the phase alpha frequency. And now we save it and we're all set. We load up the patient file, go to the auditory recording, and we have T3 phase alpha posterior. We will do peak frequency beta 2 FPU, frontal processing unit. It's a negative variable. And you can see the variable in the upper left changing colors according to its value from the standard deviation. Now let's set up a different type of variable. That's coherence or phase. Now we want to do a relative power one. So let's do just one location, T3, relative power beta 1. Click the location, name it T3, relative power beta 1. Copy paste. Do that again, T3, relative power beta 1. Indicate the type of relative power, and we want beta 1. Save it. Go back to the client. Auditory encoding. And now we have T3 relative power beta 1 as the reward. As you can see, also it's also listed under negative, but we're not inhibiting it, so we're just doing a reward. As you'll see, it shows you the entire head, but it's tying into the activity at T3. And that's it. So we're all ready to go. Change your variable whenever you want. The variable will become immediately available to all clients in your subdirectory or in your files. and it'll be listed under both the positive and negative variables.